Hey YouTube, today we're going to show you how to take off the battery on a 2001 Dodge Intrepid. I'm going to show you location and removal process. It's going to be a pain to remove the battery for this car, so get ready. Here we go. Alright guys, so this is our engine, the 3.5 liter, and our battery is, as you guessed, in there. So our battery is there. Process to get there, it's a bit tricky, so we're gonna go step by step. First thing we're gonna do is with a flathead take off this little clip right here, so we can get this plastic loose, and you can also just push these little clips back, and that way we can lift this up, which is attached to this. Take this off, this whole thing will come off. If you're not able to push it all the way to the side, use a flathead and remove it from there, so you can take this out, and we can put the airflow system on the side, the airflow system, and then we can take off the filter and everything else, so we can have some space to get to the battery. Okay, so I'm gonna do that and show you what's next. Okay guys, so now that we removed that, this is next. What I did here is just it's held by clips, so just came in here, push this like this on the side, and I popped them out. There's another one here. As you can see, it is just a clip, so you're gonna have to use this force to just lift it up, push it to the side and lift it up. It's very easy, I guess. There's no screws or nothing like that, so it's just clips. So let me take that out the way. Alright guys, so remove that just by pulling it up. Like I said before, it was just clips. That's one of the hardest clips. Just pull it up, just use your strength. There's no easy process. Now here's the battery. It looks like we won't have a lot of space to take it off even after we take off the bracket and all that, so we'll probably have to end up taking this off, which is gonna be annoying because it's held by like 6 or 8 screws and stuff. So we'll get that to that at that point, but for now this is a size 10 bolt. It's one there and one there. There's 2 of them. They're size 10. Just remove those and take off this bracket so we can have some access for the battery. This one's our size, usually 13. I'm gonna double check that. Which you're gonna take off that one first, and then when you pull out the battery, then the other one. Such an awful procedure. Very, very bad engineering by Dodge on this side, on this part. But okay, let me do this and go on from there. All right, guys. So I removed that cover, and then I removed the battery, the positive for the battery. Like I said before, it was a size 13. I used a wrench, and now to remove the battery, I'm gonna have to remove that plastic cover because there's no space to unplug the negative post and also to just take out the battery. So you're gonna come in here, buy the tire. If a mechanic is charging you a couple bucks for this job, it's accurate, because this is a pain. You can easily see charging at least $80 for this battery removal. But anyways, this right here is a size 1/4, so 1/4 socket, and there's gonna be one right there. I'm missing this one, but there's a hole, so it's one right there. There's another one right there, and man, they're in a tight spot. I guess you have to turn the tire to your right, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of them. I'm missing a couple, but as you can see, there's one right there as well. There's 5 of them. Just follow them. They're all the way through this frame, and take them off, and then you can remove that cover. You're gonna have to turn this tire to your right. It's gonna be a pain since you can't start the car if your battery is dead. But try and turn it so you have some more space. So let me remove that and then show you what's next. Okay guys, so I took out that plastic cover. What I did is I took out the top ones, which is 3. And once I took those off, I was able to pull this back, and then from the top remove the bottom ones from here. I guess that was a little bit easier. I moved the battery, pulled the battery a little bit in, and then as you can see there, I already took it off, the negative. Mine was a size 10, yours may be different, but I removed it. I'm gonna put this to the side, and now I'm gonna get the battery and just flip it up and take it out of here. So that's how you remove the battery on this Dodge Intrepid 2001. Hey, if this video helped, just give me a like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, if you wanna tell us how much you hate this, just write a comment below. Go ahead and express yourself. Also, if you want to buy the battery, check my link in the description. I'll have a link on where you can buy the battery if you're interested. And then that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Have a great day.